This is another video around DIY. My Honda Lawnmower Easy stopped working. The reason was dirty, lots of parts broken, and went online to get all the parts and do this myself. And it worked. So, as you can see, I've given a proper cleanup of the entire device. So all the dirt that was accumulated in all these areas has been properly cleaned, even in the inside. But now that I have the seals, they will have to be replaced, which is always a good idea when you do a proper cleanup to avoid any leaks. So there you go, I have these. And as you remember, this piece, as per the pictures, was broken. This is an original Honda hose. So with the number 10 and a wrench, let's remove then this one. Since I cleaned it before, it was pretty easy to open it. So this is the first seal that will have to be changed, this red one. And then, as you can see, this is pretty clean. I have to remove this, I have to clean this area properly. This, yep, all okay. And this is the seal that I will take out. As you can see, it's a little bit damaged. So I will replace it with the... So just before putting everything back as it was, I'm just giving it a proper clean to ensure that the seals will, you know, stick. So I decided to put the lawnmower on top of the wheelie bin because working on the floor was really challenging. So we're getting there. So the new pipe has been replaced. I have installed the necessary seals before and after, and I'm just going to work towards the last bit, this last bit, to install 2 more seals and a metallic a metallic plaque that goes here, and I hope this is going to be it. Let's replace this spark plug. Yep, brand new one. Easy. I don't put this one yet back until I've done with the oil. Let's do the oil. I removed it previous day. As you can see, it's pretty empty. Now let's fill it up back with, I have this spare oil from the last time, which is not a lot, but yeah, I'd rather you reuse it. Being very careful. Let's see if this goes on. Fingers crossed. Great satisfaction to see that everything's working fine. I just cut the grass, and yeah, it's looking good. Just one comment that I uncovered while I was doing the grass today. I put a seal here because it came with the packing, but actually it was not a good idea. So it doesn't need a seal. I removed it because it was dropping petrol. I don't know if you can see here the stain. So no, it was not needed. The other thing was that this other bolt the one at the bottom, you can see it, I didn't tight it enough. So don't be afraid of giving it an extra half turn just to ensure that it's properly tight. Otherwise there's going to be petrol everywhere, as happened to me. But all good. The Easy is working well. Great satisfaction that I did this myself without much knowledge, just videos like this one that I'm sharing, and all good. Thank you, bye bye.